I am Cecilia, and I work as an export manager for Paolo Lazaroni e Figli. Our company is a very traditional Italian company. It has been founded 300 years ago, and we started our operation with the invention of a biscuit called Amaretti. Amaretti biscuits are very simple. They're made out of 3 ingredients: apricot kernel, sugar, and egg whites. And then the Lazaroni family, created what we call the liquor biscuits, because amaretto, our amaretto, it's unique and it's made out of the biscuit. It's the only one in the market.
We can go also like your range.
Okay.
Like what do you offer?
Okay.
Something maybe like also special, and what is typical for your
okay.
range?
Other than an amaretto, we can say that we cover all the Italian liquors. So we have limoncello, sambuca, amaro, still made for an old recipe from the Lazaroni family, and amaretto and peach, amaretto cream that is called otterama. So with our company, you can really have the true Italian feeling of the liquors.
In Italy, how do you drink amaretto?
Amaretto in Italy is especially drinked as a straight or on the rocks, but an amaretto nowadays is very popular as an ingredient for cocktails. Indeed, our amaretto is the best. It's been declared as the best ingredient for the mixologist by the U.S. Bartender Association. Yes, so. And nowadays it's used a lot in cocktails, but traditionally in Italy it's an after dinner. So is the limoncello, for example, but nowadays also limoncello is used for cocktails. The most simple is limoncello spritz, very easy and fresh, yes. But also amaro, it's kind of an old and traditional liquor. Now, with the new trend in the mixologists, it's used a lot in cocktails. So we are seeing this trend of reinventing traditional and premium liquors, using them as ingredient for cocktails. Asensio is not an Italian, it's typical from France, it's absinthe. Yes, it's very, very strong, it's 60 ABV. Yes. And usually you drink Asensio with water, together with water, to make it easier. But there are some countries where we sell Asensio a lot, for example Japan, because Japanese are used to very strong liquids, and they are strong drinkers too, so they like it, yes.
Do you have your signature cocktails, maybe, something special that you offer?
Well, the most famous cocktail for Amaretto is, of course, the Amaretto Sour. Then there is the Godfather, which is another typical cocktail for Amaretto. But then we have our mixologist, Samuele Ambrosi, who works with us. It's very famous in Italy. Every edition of the Bar Convent invents a new cocktail for us. Nowadays, for this edition, yes, sorry. He created a new version of the Godfather, that he called Old Father in Alpha Generation, and it's made of amaretto, dried vodka, sherry, bitter, and cornflakes mixed wash. So it's, I mean, there is a lot you can do with Italian liqueurs.
You see that you have amaretto sour, but you also have the garnish.
We do have the garnish, the Amarena cherries in amaretto syrup. People are used to the very famous maraschino cherries, and this is our vision of the cherries. Yes, yes. So they are soaked in amaretto syrup, no alcohol. So they're perfect for ice cream, of course for the cocktail, okay, but also for cakes, for the ice cream and whatsoever. And the amaretto flavor goes very well with chocolate because it enhances the flavor of the chocolate. So the cherries are very good for brownies, for example.
Dolce di Amaretto, but you're also known for Amaretti.
Well,
Yeah?
both are our best
Best-selling
best-selling product. The Amaretti are, they are known everywhere, and they are in on the shelves of the best department stores of the world, and especially because our designs all come from our archive. So they're not vintage; they're really old. Yes. So, and for the Amaretti, we have many different packagings, and they're.
I've seen the different ones.
Yes,
the
yes.
Special editions. Also,
Indeed,
yeah?
indeed, they are all very beautiful. Yes.
It was amazing.
Thank you.
7 minutes of pure knowledge.
Thank
so
you.
much.